Did you know the average professional spends 28% of their work week just managing email? That's over 11 hours every single week gone. Welcome to Microsoft 365 Quick Skills. Today I'm showing you how to reclaim that time using Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. Updated for 2026. We'll summarize long email threads, draft tough emails instantly, and even get tone coaching, all in under 3 minutes. Let's get to work. First, let's tackle the biggest time waster. Catching up on long email threads. You come back from a meeting, and boom, a thread with 15 replies. Instead of reading every message, just click Summary by Copilot at the top. Copilot scans the entire conversation and boils it down to the key points. And here is the best part, citations. Copilot numbers the sources so you can click and verify exactly who said what. Quick note. Citations are available in the Outlook desktop app, and in certain Outlook web versions, depending on your tenant and rollout status. It also extracts action items like, any chance we can finalize the agreement before year-end? That's 5 minutes of reading saved in 10 seconds. Now let's talk about writer's block. Staring at a blank screen is painful. Let Copilot do the heavy lifting. In a new email or reply, click the Copilot icon in the toolbar and select Draft with Copilot. For example, you might type, reply to Josie that we can book a Tuesday meeting using my appointment link. Make it polite but firm. Copilot writes the email for you instantly. Want it more professional? More casual? Just click Adjust Tone to refine the message. Once you're happy with it, click Keep It, and you're done. Now let me show you one of the most underrated Copilot features, coaching directly in Outlook on the web. First, open Outlook on the web and start a new mail or reply. Next, write your email draft. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does need some content. Tip: Copilot coaching requires at least about 100 characters before it activates. Once your draft is ready, click the Copilot button in the top right and select Coaching. Copilot immediately starts analyzing your email. You don't need to prompt it or ask questions. It just gets to work. Copilot evaluates your message across several areas. Tone, whether it sounds warmth and professionalism. Reader sentiment, how the recipient may perceive it. Clarity, whether your questions and requests are clear. Think of this as a built-in executive review before you hit send. From here, you can apply all suggestions, dismiss them, or retry the analysis. Copilot doesn't send anything for you. It simply helps you polish the message before it goes out. Managing your inbox is only step 1. If you want to master the rest of the Microsoft 365 suite, check out my Copilot playlist on my YouTube channel for a complete guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.